Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, look, right now we're staring down the barrel of a massive, fast-approaching crisis. It's all about AI data centers, and man, their absolute insane hunger for power. Let's get right into it.
2026. Keep that year in your head. This is our critical deadline, guys. A massive energy challenge is literally staring us right in the face, and it hits in just 2 years. Time is ticking.
And to really grasp the sheer scale of this problem, by 2026, AI data centers are going to devour more power than the entire country of Japan. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. An entire country.
Okay, let's dive into this. Part 1, the AI power problem, from digital to physical. You know, we kind of just think of AI as this invisible magic cloud, right? But the truth, it's heavily physical. We're talking massive, power-hungry steel.
Seriously, your average AI rack is basically a 48 kilowatt heater. This isn't just your normal laptop sitting on a desk. It's a giant roaring machine that generates intense, constant heat.
Moving right along to part 2, why air cooling died, the heat crisis. Let me take you inside a real-world audit of a modern server room. Honestly, it is quite literally roasting in there.
Recent audits of actual AI GPU halls reveal a pretty terrifying truth. These racks are pulling a massive 38 kilowatts each. That is a completely staggering amount of power for just a single unit.
And all that extreme power, it creates dangerous hotspots. We are seeing temperatures hit exactly 48 degrees. Things are simply getting way too hot to handle.
So because of this intense heat, traditional air cooling is officially dead, gone. Regular old fans blowing cold air just simply cannot save this modern hardware anymore. But hey, don't panic. Part 3, the 3 liquid moves, the engineering fix. Brilliant engineers are rolling out specific rescue strategies right now to stop these meltdowns before they happen.
Basically, 3 physical moves are saving the day here. Number 1, using 32-degree water. Number 2, pumping direct-to-chip liquid cooling. And number 3, installing smart rack batteries. These 3 steps absolutely change the game.
Which brings us to part 4, the efficiency result, dropping the PUE. Because these liquid cooling moves, they actually work. And we've got the hard numbers to prove it.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. Power usage effectiveness, or PUE, measures wasted cooling energy. Lower is definitely better here. By using liquid cooling, we crush the PUE from 1.42 down to a sleek 1.15. That is just massive, massive energy saved. So, what's the big takeaway? The AI energy crisis is not some distant future problem. It is happening right now, all across the globe. The only question left to answer is,